In this video, I'll show you how to set Safari as your default browser on your MacBook, so every link you open automatically launches in Safari. Let's get into it. Start by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then open System Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down the left sidebar and click on Desktop and Dock. On the right side, scroll down until you see Default Web Browser. Click on the drop-down next to it, then choose Safari from the list. And just like that, Safari is now set as your default browser. From now on, any link you click, whether it's from an email, a document, or another app, will open directly in Safari. Quick tip: Safari is optimized for macOS, so it often gives you better battery life and smoother performance compared to other browsers. And if you ever want to switch back, you can always return to this same setting and choose a different browser. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Mac tips. Thanks for watching.